Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by getting the essentials right: posture, keyboard choice, and hand placement. Once done, center the keyboard so your wrist stays straight and set the height so elbows are near 90 degrees. Place your fingers on the home row and keep thumbs relaxed over space. Now start a focused 5-minute drill: alphabet from the home row and simple common words. Make sure to breathe and avoid hitting keys hard. The goal is controlled accuracy before speed. You now tackle the complex middle stage: grouping keys and learning efficient moves. Practice letter clusters, then add numbers and symbols. This isolates trouble spots. Once comfortable, integrate shortcuts and navigation keys so you move without leaving the home row. Time your practice in 10-15-minute focused sprints, aiming for steady accuracy gains instead of jumps in speed. Make sure to correct finger allocation immediately when errors occur. Repetition builds muscle memory and smooths transitions between key groups. You finish by converting practice into reliable performance. Apply skills to real typing tasks for 20-30 minutes and track progress. Once done, refine posture, and small ergonomic tweaks, wrist rests or slight keyboard tilt, can reduce strain and improve consistency. Increase speed only when accuracy stays above your target. If things go wrong, isolate the consistent errors, slow your tempo, and retrain those exact sequences.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.